Okay, so we are doing the equals group lesson, Sum Blox, the early childhood cards. This should take 5 to 10 minutes. And the goal of this is to help students see how each number represents an equal number of ones. Cardinality. Through fun repetition, students will begin to associate the height of each block to the corresponding number value. Okay, so let's do number one. We're gonna put them in order. So now we're gonna compare. Look, if you take two ones blocks, it's the same size as the two. So how many one blocks? Well, put them in front. How many one blocks do you need for the three? Yeah, when we get to the 10, it's gonna be a lot, isn't it? How many one blocks will we use for the 10? 10. That's right. Okay. You had one block for the 1, 2 for the 2, 3
for the 3, 4 for the 4, 5 for the 5, 6 for the 6.
Oh, you skipped the 7. So move those over. 7 for the 7. Okay, now we need to do 8, 9, 10. So we're probably gonna have to take some from over here and put them for the 8, 9, 10.
But then we won't. Can I take the 1?
No, you can take all these. Okay, so how many was that?
8.
8, good.
And then 9.
And then 9, good.
Guys, that was the 10. Oh, 10.
Okay, so can you count those? Make sure you have 9.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Good.
Now all the rest for the 10.
Okay. All right, now count the one blocks and see how many you have there.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10. So these are the same, aren't they? 10 ones is the same as 110, right? And look at here. We've got the 9 and the 10. Which one is greater, 9 or 10?
10.
Good. Which one is less? And how do you know that?
Because.
Look at how many less is 9? How many less?
1 more.
Yeah, very good.
Now,
Right.
there's 10.
Right. Very good. Give me a high five. You did a great job on this lesson.